MeghalayaPost.news.
Kum ka jingi simenta hakaban rakhe ya ka wall note to bakode arja option kibor ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School kila pelong daga program Iaid Rally nadu Pelau School terter sadu sor Nongpoh ban Ialap halo ka jingma jong ka jingdi Duma ne ban bam Duma haswa ka jing Iaid Rally la pelong swa daga program ban hikai ki Khynnah kumno ban kiar na ki jingdi Duma ne bam Duma kibala ban kata sikat de ka khot ya khia bat ka jing nangjur jong ki jingpang basar khe kibami na ka jing penungkam yu Duma ha ka te rally la sakhi bagi Khynnah Skul ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School kilara daki poster ki banar ban pertai ki Jingktah ban hikai ki Paidbah ban kiar na ka jing penungkam yu Duma haba jingkren kum ka jing pensai saki Khynnah Skul ka kong WK Bla principal ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School kala batai phang ki jing sakta hakalian ka kot ya khia ya kitu ki ba judi Duma ne bam Duma bala kon tujur ki Khynnah Skul bakin kiar na kini ki jingdi ki bomlong ki bakot bakhia bat ka bakta sikat de ya ka kot ya khia jongki
A hydrosyl OH group attached to an atom. Number 2, ethanol. When referring to alcohol in the context of drinks, it usually means ethanol, which is a psychoactive substance that makes people feel drunk.
Toxic chemicals. Tobacco contains various types of toxic chemicals, many of which are toxic and carcinogenic. Nicotine is a highly addictive substance, making it difficult for users to quit tobacco and also leading dependence on the substance.
Do a demonstration about smoking, how does it affect our lungs and our inner vital organs. First of all, is smoking and cigarette injurious to our health? Yes, cigarette smoking is harmful to our health due to numerous toxic chemicals present in it.
Cannot smoke. Here, otherwise I can show you, but I cannot show you the nicotine presence in the cigarette. So for this we are doing this demonstration. So in this demonstration, like we fill up this bottle with the water, and there is you can see the outlet is there with this pipe. So when the water will flow out of this pipe, that means it put pressure in the bottle, which will pull the smoke inside the bottle. Like how when a person, a smoker, smoke a cigarette, right? So where the smoke goes, it goes inside. So now I cannot show you that, so that's why we are using this demonstration, right? It enters in the body. It enters in our body, right? Now when it enters in the body, that smoke, it goes to different parts of our bodies, mainly in our blood. Our blood is called oxygenated blood. So when the smoke enters in our body and it goes to the blood, it reduces the level of oxygen in our blood. That is the result that some of our friends says that students, they mentioned that it causes asthma also. Now, this smoke, it contains a chemical which is called tar, T-A-R, tar. And the tar contains a drug which is called nicotine. Now, through this demonstration, we have shown you this is the presence of nicotine in the cigarette. Now, when this nicotine, it enters in our body, especially when it goes to the brain, in our brain we have neurotransmitter, a receptor, which gives signals to our body. So this nicotine, it reacts with the receptors present in our brain. And when it reacts with the receptors in our brain, it produces a different type of chemical hormones which is called dopamine. Dopamine is a hormone produced by this nicotine, and this dopamine makes, once it interact or react with the natural receptors present in the brain, it makes us for time being feel happy. We feel relaxed, free from depression. But once the effect of dopamine is gone, then again the brain demands. That's why the person who smokes keep on smoking. Actually the brain is demanding that dopamine hormones, that chemical hormones, that it will come to the brain, then again brain will feel relaxed. But in real life, practically, if you are wise enough, and always remember that we don't need dopamine to make ourselves happy and relaxed. We have many ways and means are there to make ourselves happy. Any work you do, any type of activity you are doing, either at home or in the school, that will make you happy if you take it in a positive way. So that's why this demonstration, its main target is to show you that how the nicotine, it enters in our body and affect our brain and the body. So just say, I request all the youngsters Because some of you get trapped to smoking just to show that you have a manly character. Some are smoking, they don't know the effect of smoke. They simply smoke because they feel that, yeah, I'm a boy, smoking. By smoking, you cannot be a boy. Because it disturbs the whole family. If one, you get sick, then it disturbs the entire family.
Alright, this is a very important awareness that we can create, and we from the school level. Look the side, that is why this is very important. Why? Because this has become a serious health issue. Using tobacco has become a serious health issue. And that is what? Creating awareness at the school level for you to know the bad effects and for you to understand that you should not start or form the habit of smoking, chewing tobacco at the early stage will help you develop a good health and will help you keep away from this bad habit that will cause addiction and serious health problems in the future. India, for the matter, we have, it's almost a cultural use of tobacco. And in the state of Meghalaya, we have a large number of cancer cases because or as a result of tobacco chewing. And that is why we are here making you students of Alpha School number 1 to understand the bad effects and the bad effects of tobacco and how not to get habituated to having it. We have our parents who used to smoke and chew khynnah and gutka and shikar and all of that. And some of you are following the habits, but please, maybe they have not learned. But for you, you have learned. And we are creating that awareness now so that you boys and girls can learn not to get habituated or not to start touching tobacco at all, and also to pass on this message of not using tobacco because it is a serious health issue. It will be a health problem. All of us, God created us a beautiful, wonderful body where we should not spoil that by using things that will cause harm to it. We want you boys and girls to be healthy and strong now and healthy and strong in the future. So we thank the Education Department of having made this program, like so to say, every school must do this, must create this awareness so that our district, we have healthy students, our state and the nation as a whole.
MeghalayaPost.news